Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm just making a small video about a small indoor greenhouse, I guess if you want to call it that, I got. I picked it up from Amazon. Um, Today's February 26th, I think, so I got it about a month and a half, 2 months ago. Uh, just to, I guess, help start some of my vegetable seeds. Um, I thought it would be easier to do it like this instead of having them on the floor, and I don't really have any good windows that have a lot of sun for indoors. So I thought I'd give this a try and test it out to see how it works. Um, on the front here, this here opens up and it ties up on the top there. And if you don't want to have the whole door here open up, you could just open up the small vent on the side here. There's a vent on both sides. Um, so far, I don't know if you can see. On the right side, I've got some basil growing up on top, and the left side I have two different types of it's called peppers. Uh, the ones in the back, I think, are called Avarsky, and the ones in the front are they're supposed to be sort of like a mild or hot peppers. Not peppers, the paprikas. So I want to maybe try to dry them out and see how it turns out. On the bottom, on the right side, I have oregano. Then I have sage, basically here, and the left two are parsley, Italian parsley. So it's been about a month or a month and a half that these have been growing. Except for the peppers, it's been maybe about a week and a half. So probably next week or the beginning of March, I'll try to start my tomato plants. So, anyways, it's a short video, and I hope everyone has a good day. Bye.